Namaste. Now, many astrologers do talk about remedial measure across. Now, many people have a huge confusion about the remedial measure. They do not know how the remedial measure works and they have a huge confusion. But today, I am going to talk about the angle of the remedial measure. From where does the remedial measure work? That is a very, very important thing in a person's life across. Though the video is available for a common platform, this could be useful for many astrologers across. Now, many people do remedial measure from the Lagna. It does not work. That is why the great Nadi astrology, actually, if you take all the Nadi texts, they talk about very, very clearly about the remedial measure from Karakas. Karakas means that which gets things done. So that is the meaning of the Karakas. So if you want to do the remedial measure, you should mark the Karakas and do it, which will have an important and immediate impact into your person's life. There was a person who was having Mesh. Saturn was having in Mesh. Now Saturn is the Karaga for longevity and for work. Now if you want to improve the what you call the work part of it, you will have to do the remedial measure from the 10th house from the Saturn across. So we had suggested for him to light the lamp for Saturn and also donate the Saturnian things for him as a person. Now it turned out to be that the person's career just started growing up very much across as a person. So the most important thing into your life across is from where does this remedial measure work. Now if you are having a marriage problem, try to do the remedial measure from Venus, the 7th lord. If you are a woman, you are having a marriage issue, try to do the remedial measure from the Mars, the 7th house. So the Karakas are a very, very important thing in terms of remedial measure. Now, this is not taken very seriously by many astrologers. For example, there was a guy who was having Venus in the Mesh. He asked me what kind of remedial measure he has to do. I told him, you please light lamp for Mahalakshmi by putting magnet across, and he did it across, and that was an unprecedented thing. There was a lot of twist and turn happen. He got married to a very, very pretty lady across. So the point is, you have to come to an understanding about where does the remedial measure work. There are 4 levels to remedial measure. You can use the remedial measure even in the divisional chart. You can use the remedial measure in Dasamsa. You can use the remedial measure in Saptamsa. For the children, you can use the remedial measure in Chaturamsa. So the point is, you can use the remedial measure applying the same principle of Karagas. For example, in my case, the Saturn is in Mithuna, the 10th lord is the Guru, and the Guru is in a particular place, so I can do the remedial measure for Guru, which will help me to have an unprecedented growth as far as my work is concerned. So therefore, you have to understand that the remedial measures can be applied in the various divisional chart also. The second most important thing is, can the remedial measure can be done for Gochara? Now many people do not know that the remedial measure can be done for Gochara, which will be very effective for you as a person. Now the problem with many people is they have no idea how the Gochara remedial measure is done. The first day, all over India, the Guru transit, the Saturn transit, the Rahu Ketu transit is celebrated across, and people do puja and ritual. This is one of the best way to do the remedial measure for a transit. The other one is, there was a lady who came to me across and she asked me, sir, my Guru is transiting my 6th house. How do I go about it? I said, do the remedial measure only for Guru. You would be able to clear the energy across. So the point is, now whenever Saturn is transiting 6, 8, 12 or Jupiter is transiting 6, 8, 12, do the remedial measure only for Saturn and Guru. You would be able to clear a lot of blocks, and this is a very important remedial measure. The other one is, whenever the sun is changing from one Rasi to another, you have to do the remedial measure, and this will also help you. For example, the Masa Sandhi and the Paksha Sandhi can be used as a very important remedial measure point for the Gochara part of it, which will help you to reduce a huge amount of problem across. So therefore, I have told you the application of the remedial measure using the Karakas, not only from the Lagna but from the divisional chart. The second thing also, I have stressed you, the remedial measures can be done